Hello students, we have started chapter number 4 up to paragraph 3 we have completed. Now today we will do paragraph number 4. Right? Here it is said that when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never thought while pursuing my study or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. What she said that when I was doing my studies, right, I never thought that I have come from a small village or from a other country, right. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And what she said, as everyone has dream in the life, I also had dreams and I followed it. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. And what she said, that fortunately everyone around her, right, they always encouraged her. They said, do whatever you want to do. Right? Next reason, paragraph number 5. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. Kalpana's first mission, that is Columbia, it was for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. As her first mission, Columbia, it was of 15 days. It was a 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. In those days, she moved around the earth for 252 times, and it was around about 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in the space and test for making stronger meals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. And in the crew, there were Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts also. And what the crew performed, they performed the experiment of pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. What they experiment? They experiment pollinating plants to see the growth of the food in the space, and test for making stronger meals, and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. What they have done? They have done experiments of stronger metals and computer chips, all for price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. And on the Saturday night, the news came that Columbia, it is disaster of Columbia. The people were in shock and they were not ready to believe it. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived, a journalist wrote. And what happened? The family members and the people of Karnal, they sat near the television, means they sat like a glue is used for them, that, and they were in a hope that the news will come that Kalpana and the crew members are survived. She was a heroine. It takes an enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineer. And what the journalists say, that really she was a heroine it takes an enormous ability. To become an astronaut, it requires enormous ability. Means the ability is required to become an astronaut. You need to know everything about, means to become astronaut, you need to know everything about biology and aeronautical engineer, right? In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. And in this age, you must have encyclopedic knowledge, means very minute or very big informations knowledge you must have, right? And you must have the knowledge of from biology to aeronautical engineer, and her achievement was awe-inspiring. Inspiring means प्रेरणादायक. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla is a girl from a small town who touched the skies. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. And for the girls, right, Kalpana Chawla, she became an inspiration as she belonged from the very small village, right, and she touched the skies. In a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist." And from aboard Columbia, she sent a message to the students of Chandigarh that the path from dreams to success does exist. Means when you dream and when you achieve success, between there is a path, right? May you have the vision to find it, and you must have the vision to find the path from your dream to the success. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. And she said, all the best, wish you all the best. She said, may your dreams come true, and many of you have this vision of becoming an astronaut, and may your dreams come true. Thank you, students.
आभार।